for the Checkers with black and white trim as they go from right to left. And the draw is won by Osmansky and Duzak. Carlson with it, center point. Right wing feed, a one-timer. Wise, kick save made. Dalpy off of it. Rosen a home run feed. He has Vrana. Jacob Vrana in alone, fires and scores! Shot 13-4, and that was stealing center by Vrana. He and Suzuki are in 2-on-1. Jacob Vrana right side, holds, waits, shoots, save made, rebound, Vrana turns and centers. It went through right. He was enjoying his best success as a pro. Right off the draw, they've scored. The right corner, McGing on the retrieval to the point, Rosen. Rosen stepping in, a wrist shot, pass deflection, score! Matthew Pekka restores the team. McEachran now at the checker line left side. Mackenzie McEachran winds and shoots in and out of the glove of Knight. He couldn't. Skinner walls him off. Checkers have to re-tag at the offensive blue line. And Skinner and Sendon are going to drop the mitts and go. Hunter Skinner getting a couple heavy right hands in, and Sendon hits the deck already. At the extension of the goal line, out at the point, Conklin a one-time rip deflection, save, rebound, Suzuki couldn't tuck it home. Forced to gather with heavy pressure from Callum, but found Belinsky. Belinsky steps in, drop pass, Berlini one-time rip, save, Ellis through. Asplund stopping on the right wing side with it. Rasmus Asplund across, betting the one-time rip, glove save, Ellis, no further play. Outside of the net, Ellis, two more saves. It's loose out in front of the net. T-Bird's trying to clear, and Skinner ahead for LaFerriere, and he's going to skid it home into the empty goal. T-Bird's trying to clear, and Skinner ahead for LaFerriere, and he's going to skid it home into the empty goal. And he's going to skid it home into the empty goal. Welcome back to Springfield. His first win in this building, and he's going to be serenaded by the 6,700 inside the Thunderdome. Colton Ellis' first AHL win since November of 2022, or rather 2021. It's a masterpiece.